Pabili po.
Ano po yan?
Pabili ako ng orange.
Orange? Ano pa po?
Tapos ng crab.
They fire a little higher than you aim, so that's good note. But now everyone
Ano pa po?
saw where I was
Ano
shooting
pa
him.
gusto mo?
Allison's going first.
Gusto ko po na hotdog.
If they're all three going first, I might as well aim for someone on the right.
Lala, gusto ko na hotdog.
Hotdog po?
Gusto po.
Yung nasa stick po ba?
Opo. Sabi ng apo ko.
Oh my gosh! Ronnie got hit!
That's a hit.
Oh
Tapos
wait, Akira got
pabili
hit!
din po ng
Wait, who's
pabili
yellow?
po ng
Wait, Ronnie, you shot Akira?
Let's go, baby. And Akira shot
pabili
Ronnie.
nga po ng leche plan.
Wala po kami leche plan. Hindi po ito leche plan, ate.
Stood on 1 foot for
Ano
38 minutes
po
yesterday.
yan?
Good.
Ano
Everybody's
to?
going to those kids, so y'all are taking it
Oyster.
as well.
Pabili po.
Oyster.
Load their gun!
Ano ba po?
$500,000 on the line. 3,
Pabili ng dragon fruit.
Ano pa po?
Pabili ng soft drinks.
Ano po? Coke, Sprite, or lemon?
Coke,
So I was going for the
the
first time, too.
Sprite.
The only person who got hit
Coke.
was Akira
Uy,
in his genitals.
Sprite.
That's brutal. That's personal.
Circus circle! As you can probably tell, Akira, next shot, you will be out of room to stand.
This is
This
true.
is your last
Tapos
leg, your
pabili
last
po
leg.
ng
Akira, they might be missing on purpose. So
fried
let's battle it out.
chicken.
You got 2
Fried
targets already.
chicken.
You might
Ano
want
po dito yung
somebody else
naka-stick?
now this time. It's true. I'll go Allison this
Oo.
time. We could go Allison
Tapos
this
yung
time.
fried chicken na malaki.
You were the one who chose this game, girl.
Are you agreeing?
Uy, luto na yung ano.
Like the rest of them?
Yeah.
Luto na yung crab.
This is my last round. Love you guys.
You too.
Guards, load the guns!
Fried chicken.
3,
Kasi yung hotdog luto
Hindi
na.
ba nalini?
oh! Ronnie stuck to his word and shot Ellison.
Ito na itong chicken.
Wala
Oh my
pa
gosh, wait. What is this?
to.
Wait. Ronnie!
What color is it?
Paano ba ito buksan?
Blue!
End of the day.
Pabili
So
din
in one of
po
us, you're
ng
going down.
Ay, baso po.
Going right for your forehead.
baso.
Ito na po yung baso.
I take him out. He goes down with me. The poetic way to go. I should
Kung ano lang po kayo dyan ng suka nyo dito.
We'll see what happens.
Ito po yung kutsara ng suka.
Tuwat kalabasa. Saka meron ba? Wala ba?
Ito na po.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Dahan-dahan lang po
Akira
makita.
got hit right here on the side. And if you
Ito
look
na
over
siya.
here, Ronnie also got hit.
Ito na po yung order
The
niya.
two of
Isa
you
pa.
are so stubborn that you cost each other $500,000.
use the game. He's already got a Lambo. I needed that. He goes out of the hurts out. We got this far.
Kutsara.
Looks like one of these three deserves it more. I feel like you should have been
Ito
standing
po
there
gusto niyo
instead
pong
of the car.
tinidor, tsaka kutsara.
Tough, man. I'm sorry.
Akira,
Sige.
Ronnie, you both have been eliminated. But if it makes you feel better,
Hindi
oh
pala
my
ganyan.
God, here's 10 grand.
Ito rin dito dapat ito yung mga tinidor.
That make me feel better. Whoa, 10 G's. That's what's up.
Pa na.
Boys, remove Akira and Ronnie, please.
Yung bayad po, sa, ano pong bayad niyo?
Let's keep shooting. 3, 2,
Sa
1.
Gcash na lang.
Gcash na lang. Sige po.
Gio hit her right in the
Kain na po kayo
chest.
dyan.
Gio was holding back this whole time.
Up,
When you
up,
become
up,
John
up.
Wick,
Allison, you're one shot away from losing $500,000. 3, 2, 1.
Mama, mama.
Wait, it went through Gio's head. Your head? You sure you want to keep duking it out with Allison? What if you hit Allison here, she hits you one more time? Does Mr. No Circle versus you with 2
Sige na,
hits?
kakasaban mo dyan. Mama,
Cards
mama.
load 'em. 3, 2,
Tapos
1.
na yun, anak ko. Ito na yung mga,
That's it.
yung mga
Ay, tapos na po.
No, a hell of a shot.
Yung bayad po, di niya po nasasend yung bayad, ha?
You can make history. I could.
Anong,
Bayad niyo po sa
anong
Gcash.
number?
0995 923 5064.
I think now would be a great time to
5064.
200 po lahat.
200. Sige,
Your
wait lang.
son is this close to $500,000.
Bye-bye.